Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in ActiveCampaign. This is an essential skill if you're managing email lists or moving your contacts from another platform, and it'll save you tons of time compared to adding contacts manually. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can manage all your campaigns and contacts. Now look at the left side menu and find the option labeled Contacts. Click on it. This is your central hub for managing everyone in your email lists, and it's where you'll be uploading your new contacts. Next, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Import. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu showing you several options for how you can bring your contacts into ActiveCampaign. You'll notice you can upload files directly from your computer, or you can connect to other services if your contacts are stored elsewhere. For this tutorial, we're going to upload the file directly from our computer. So click on Import from File. A file browser window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to wherever your contact file is saved. Select your file, whether it's a CSV or Excel spreadsheet, and click Open. Once you've selected your file, ActiveCampaign will display a preview of your data so you can review it before finalizing the import. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure everything looks correct. The columns should align properly with fields like name, email address, and any other custom information you're bringing in. When you're satisfied that everything looks good, click the Import button to proceed. Now the import process will begin depending on how many contacts are in your file. This could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Larger files naturally take longer to process, so just be patient and let ActiveCampaign do its work. Don't close the window or navigate away during this time. Once the import is complete, you'll see a notification or prompt. Click on View Report. This report is important because it shows you whether your import was successful or if any contacts failed to upload. It'll give you details about any errors like duplicate emails or missing required fields so you can address those issues if needed. After reviewing the report, click on Manage Contacts. This will take you back to your main contacts page, and now you'll be able to see all the newly imported contacts listed there. They're now part of your ActiveCampaign database and ready to be added to lists, segments, or campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into ActiveCampaign and they're ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.